Hello, cruisers, and welcome to Prescribed Adventures. Today, we are heading to Port Canaveral, Florida, where we will be boarding Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Seas. And today, we are going at a cruise Terminal 1. And we will have express boarding, so we are going to show you how quick and easy Royal Caribbean has made it to get through dropping off your bags, getting through the terminal, checking in, and getting on the ship as fast as possible. So as you can see, first thing is to drop off your bags. Pull up into the front where the porters will tell you where to stop. Just hand them your bags. Don't forget to give them a tip. And we are off to find a parking spot. Now you can either go into the garage and up the ramp, but we prefer to swing around to the right here and park on the outside lot next to the garage, because when the ship comes back on Monday morning, we need to get off right away. So as you can see here, the side lot, pretty empty. It's around 10:30 or so. And we're gonna find a parking spot right on the same row as the exit. So that way, when we get off the ship, we can get out of here just as quick as we got in. So let's talk about how do we get express boarding. About noon the day before your cruise, you're going to go into your app and click Edit Check-in. And then you are going to answer the health questionnaire. Hopefully you answer no to both, that you're not over 23 weeks pregnant or have been sick lately. And then after you do this for everybody in your party, hopefully with a little luck, you just might get this. Boom, express boarding. Now, not 100% sure how they pick and choose, but I do know that you would have had to filled out all the check-in correctly, do your picture, add your credit card, make sure all the information is correct. I definitely think that you need to have a passport in order to get that, so there's no additional check-in process that you have to do once you get to the terminal. So as we head inside, I'm going to end this voiceover and let you hear the actual footage of everything that we did inside the terminal. And I will be back for the outro.
Hello guys, welcome to Utopia. Got your SetSail Pass?
What? You just have to simply swipe to the other SetSail Pass.
So we got express boarding.
They have the
Thank you. You guys enjoy that cruise? Okay, you're gonna go this one? Yes, ma'am. All
You guys
right.
keep moving the sweet lines around.
Hello.
Looks like we got demoted to second line. Express used to be out there. So we have express boarding. So when you do your health questionnaire 24 hours before boarding, you will get your SetSail Pass, and sometimes you will get express boarding. Not exactly sure how that works, but I know you do have to have all your documents in order using a passport. And so the difference with
Oh, this is express. Yeah.
they move stuff around. Oh, but they still got the sign all the way down there.
Oh, they're coming from both ends.
Oh, are they?
This is a,
Oh,
oh.
so where's the entrance over there?
There's two entrances.
So that's new? Okay. Okay.
So we got people coming from both directions.
Got it. So the advantage of doing express boarding is that we're actually checking in down here before we go through security instead of going back upstairs and having a second line to wait on. And here we go.
Well, thank you. Feel special. Yes, you are.
Guess I'm not special.
You're not. Today. Like,
We
sorry.
both said no, no, not today.
Well, that's her just automatic reaction. No, not you.
Oh, that's too funny.
Okay. And so you're like, when do you renew so that you can get the new?
2027.
Okay.
2027. You're gonna head on to security right behind me, then you're gonna go upstairs.
Okay.
All right,
excellent.
thank you. I don't get a
Nope.
just one
family.
person. Wow. Okay.
I know.
I-
You said you weren't smart.
And now I know I'm not. So we'll see you. We're gonna go through security, and we'll see you on the other side. Maybe. And we are through security, and so that was it. That is express boarding. We are now through, and we just got to go upstairs. And if the ship has already been cleared, we are going to walk straight on.
Thank you.
Thank
honey.
you. Royal Caribbean definitely has this whole check-in thing here at Port Canaveral down to a science.
I think so.
Because the way they can get 6,000, 7,000 passengers on with there almost never being a line is amazing.
That's an interesting choice of patterns.
Oh, we got different leaves. We got palm leaves and we got some flowers and a Panama Jack.
The full tropics.
Adventure is right around the
Good
corner.
morning. Wait, I turned the corner. It's not here yet.
So if you have general boarding, you would have gone through security, and then you will be going onto these lines, which are still barely a line, and checking in up here. But since we have already done that downstairs, it looks like they're boarding people already. So I remember when we first started cruising after the pandemic, all of this was filled up waiting because it took them so long.
To clean the ship. Yeah.
Yes. But now it's not even 10:30, is it?
No, it's not. This one was
It's
11.
10:45, and ship is cleared, and we're going to go straight on. So if you're staying in a suite, if you have Pinnacle status, or you've booked especially if you booked a Star, this is the suites and Pinnacle waiting area. So just to give you a preview, this is the suites area, waiting area at Port Canaveral Terminal 1. And we will be using this on Star next month on one of their showcase preview sailings. So make sure you like, subscribe if you want to see all the brand new Star footage that we're going to be putting up later on at the end of the summer. And so now we have one last check-in, one more scannage.
And
Awesome, you guys are awesome.
And now we are official
on a cruise.
again.
You sound like that's a problem.
That's not a problem, it's just facts.
Facts. Street facts.
It's our monthly cruise.
Yes.
Now you got people taking their picture in front of Coco Cay and the ship. And we're walking. So here you'll have your choice of taking your picture in front of the ship or in front of Coco Cay. Hello. You were at Royal Railway last month, right? Yes, we're back.
Good to see
We
you.
are back.
I'm good. I'm good to see you
Hi,
guys.
good seeing you.
We're back. We're back.
You're back to back.
Yes.
Back.
Always, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Good to see you.
We'll see you on board.
Oh, you're going back?
No, are you going to be on board or you just?
Oh, you're doing railway again?
Yeah, again.
Okay.
Always.
Always.
Oh, okay.
Always. Yep, not this time.
Not
We're
this
doing
time.
railway.
No.
It's
Yeah.
fun. It's
Yes,
fun.
so much.
Yes, it is. Good to see
Bye.
you.
Thank you.
Take care, guys.
No matter what you say, she's still the boss.
I know, because she got the sticker. I didn't get a sticker.
No scuffle.
No sticker for me. So this is the best and worst walk of your cruise. This is the best walk when we're getting on board. All the excitement's building up. And even though on this ship, it's a walk up and up and up.
Yeah. I wonder what it's going to be like on start.
I think it's the same height. Same height. It's really not.
Still,
I know he wants some air conditioning.
Yeah, he is. And it looks
Yeah, he didn't look happy.
no.
He's like, this fan ain't cutting it.
It's like it's hot, damn it. And I'm not cheating on the cookies.
it was so easy. This is great.
Utopia. So when we get on, we walk right into the promenade area. Hello, hello. Good morning.
Steakhouse.
And we are going to,
Do you have a reservation? You back?
where is our muster station?
E1.
E1, and where is that?
It is. Check back.
All right, where?
Next cruise.
Next cruise is that way. So our muster station is over near next cruise. So first thing that we do always is go to the muster station.
Stop right.
So right about here, I had to cut out almost all the audio because the background music would get copyright flagged. So we had to skip a little bit here. But here we go to the muster station.
Hello. E1. Hi.
How are you?
All right.
Welcome.
Sorry.
Quick scan. There you go.
That's
All right.
Yep.
That's it.
Excellent.
Perfect. Thank you.
fun.
Now, you want to go up to 8 or you want to slice of pizza?
Pizza will fill me up too much.
Okay. Go let elevator. Hello. So on Utopia, they have destination elevators. So we want to go up to 8. So we are going to go to 8 and elevator A. And look at that, elevator A. And come in, and as you can see, there are no buttons except open and close. And next deck, 8, Central Park. And we're gonna go to Park Cafe to catch a quick snack because we have the mason jar reserved for brunch at noon. So here we are, Central Park. And we really hope you enjoyed seeing how the whole express boarding process works here at Royal Caribbean's Port Canaveral, Terminal 1. And if you did, please help us grow the channel by liking the video and subscribing to Prescribed Adventures, your perfect dose of exploration And if you'd like to see more videos on Utopia of the Seas, check out our playlist right here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.